What is up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And today we are going to be talking a little bit more. I'm going to give you an update on the Udemy course and how many organic sales I've been able to get, and if Udemy has been selling my course at all or anything like that. I'm also going to show you some cool things about how they're already starting to rank me and kind of advertise my course that I had just put up on Udemy. They're running a $10 sale right now, and it's impossible to stop the $10 sale, so it's been at $10, so I've had a lot of students jump in there from this channel, and it hasn't, been a big amount of money for me, and it's probably actually hurt my business just because I'm usually selling it for $145, and now I've had a bunch of people jump in for $10. Oh, my belt fell down, forget to fix it. Yep, just noticed that. Oh well. And so it's probably hurt it overall, but you have to try new things, right? So I'm trying to see, can I get a bunch of organic sales that I wouldn't have been able to reach on YouTube? And, maybe they'll find me on Udemy and I'll get some extra sales that I wouldn't have been able to get previously. So we're going to jump in here. I'm going to show you some of the results and see what has happened. And so first of all, what I'll show you, I think I'll start out with showing you, so I'm at the home page and I'm not logged in here at all, and I haven't logged in on here. And so what I want to show you here is, first of all, if you just go to categories and then click business, it used to be, I think it was in here, but now if you click new right here, so it's been 4 days or something like that since I put it on Udemy. If you click new inside business, I'm right here, like I'm the top one right here, which is pretty cool. So it says hot and new right here. So a lot of these say new or whatever, but this one says hot and new, which is pretty cool. And that's just by clicking business. Another thing I want to show you, if you go make money on YouTube and then scroll down right here again, look, hot and new. So it's right there. Beginners rated this course the highest, and it's right there. It's the first one. So that's already getting me some extra organic sales. And so as far as actually ranking, I don't think it's moved in the actual rankings at all. It's kind of been stuck on the page 2, which I thought if I got some more ratings, it would start to move up, but it doesn't look like it's been doing that. So I don't know how you get up to the front page or whatever. I thought probably just getting more ratings, I guess, but like I have more ratings than this video, this video, this video, this video, this video. So I mean, I should be moving up to the front page here soon. But they are advertising my content here and also in the business category, which I think is pretty cool, because obviously being the hot new video #1 on business is pretty big deal. So I have been getting some organic sales from that I'm going to go in and show you right here. So we'll bring over the other browser here since I'm logged into this one, and we'll show you what's been going on here and how many sales I've gotten and if I've gotten any organic sales or anything like that. So as you can see, we have 149 students in there in the last 3 or 4 days, whatever it was. Average rating of 4.33. There's always those people that give you 1 star. Just, I don't know why. They don't say why. They're just, they just do it. I don't know. But for the most part, it's been a lot of 5 stars. So $1,084 is what we're at right now. So we'll go to revenue here, and I'll show you kind of the breakdown here. So as you can see here, the course, remember, is $10, right? So your promotion, let me move this over. Alright, so your promotion is basically every time you click my link and buy it. If you click my link and buy it, I get 97% of that sale. So a lot of those obviously a lot of my sales have come from me advertising my own stuff, right? But what's really cool is that organic means basically they found it on their own on the page. So that's basically just from them searching and finding my course and buying it without even probably knowing who I am or watching my YouTube. And that's what I was trying to see, is how many organic sales can I get. So organic sales, you only get half of the sale, which means I'm only getting $5 per sale for organic. So $183 divided by 5, that's about 36 organic sales I've gotten in 3 or 4 days, okay? Now, of course, that's only $183 because right now Udemy is running that $10 sale. But normally my course is going to be like $125 to $140, something like that. So on Teachable, it's $145 right now. So say that's $145 and we weren't running that sale, instead of 36 times $5 for organic sales, I'd be able to get $36, or I'd be able to get 36 sales times half of 140 because you get half for each sale. So divide that by 2, I would get 70 per sale, and there was 36 organic people. So that would end up bringing in an extra 2,520. So obviously, you know, it is possible that you can get a bunch of organic sales selling your course just by, you know, people searching it and finding it, like I was saying in my last video. So right now it's only equaled, you know, $183, but that's because the course right now is 10 bucks. But if it's at its normal price of 140 and you get $70 for each organic sale, then because it's half of 140, and now I've already gotten, you know, 36 organic sales, that would be, you know, more like 2,500 extra, which isn't bad at all for 3 or 4 days of extra sales from people I would have never reached on YouTube. I would have never found these people. So that's pretty cool. Another thing I thought was interesting is this ad program right here. So you get 25% for an ad program or affiliate program sale. So basically, I'm only getting you know, 10 bucks divided by 4, pretty much. So $2.50 right now. Of course, you know, if it was not running a sale right now, that would be more money. So we'll take $28 divided by 2.5, and I've gotten 11 sales by Udemy actually advertising. I don't know exactly what that means, but somehow Udemy, beyond just on the search results, are actually, you know, advertising my program for me, and that has equated 11 sales. Okay, and you get 25% for that. So if my course was at 140 and they weren't running a sale, I would get $35 for each one of those sales, because that's 25% of 140, and then 35 times 11, which is how many ad program sales I've gotten, that would equal about 385. Okay, so it'd be an extra 385 on top of the, you know, 2,400 from organic sales. We'd be looking at that in 3 or 4 days if they weren't running that $10 sale, which there's only 2 days left on that. So we'll see if its business really starts to pick up after they've stopped this freaking $10 sale that's really annoying. If they do, even. I don't even know if they will or not. They said in 2 more days they're getting rid of the $10 sale, so we'll find out about that. Affiliate, again, you get 25 cents for that, or you know, 2.5 cents for a $10 sale, so 25%. So about, you know, close to $19 divided by 2.5. That means I've gotten about 7 sales off of affiliates. I don't even know where those come from or how they even do it, but 7 extra sales just by some affiliate program doing it. So again, if that was, you know, 0.25 of 140, and then we get 7 more sales, would be $35 times 7 bucks would be another $245. So you add that all together and you're at $3,000 for 3 or 4 days, all from people I would have never found, right? So in 3 or 4 days, that would be $3,000, you know, just by organically people I would have never reached on YouTube finding my course on Udemy, plus their ad program where they're advertising my course, plus the affiliate program where they're also advertising my course. And so right now it's not a big amount of extra money coming in because of the fact that it's only $10 sale right now. But, you know, when that $2, you know, when that ends, plus as my course continues to get enrollments and continues to get reviews, they should, even more people should be organically finding and purchasing it, and they should be advertising it more. Affiliates should be advertising it more, and it should just continue to grow from there. But again, not huge numbers just because right now they're running the $10 sale, but when they're not, you know, I'm interested to see how much it grows, how many more sales, how much more money I'm able to get. And, you know, that's my goal, is to try to reach people I wouldn't have been able to reach. So all you guys on YouTube bought it through the promotion link, but I was interested in seeing how many organic people and from their ad and affiliate program can I get, because those are people I would have never gotten money from if it wasn't for the Udemy platform, because they don't even know who I am. They just happen to think it looked cool and purchase it. So that's pretty cool. Excited to see what happens once this $10 sale ends. And then we'll show you some of the reviews here just so you can check it out. 28 different countries. Here, let me fix this a little bit here. That's pretty cool. 28 different countries. That's pretty cool. So yeah, 150 students, 4.33 rating. We can go check out some of the reviews here. So, yeah, view all reviews. So pretty good ratings here. 5 stars, 5 stars, 5, 5. This one, it was not a course. It was information about purchasing his course. That's a 3-minute lecture at the end of a 2.5-hour course. Yeah, that's all it was information about purchasing my advanced course. Yeah, okay. But there's always people that do that, But 5, 5, 5, 4, 5. One guy said 1 star, but that always happens. 5, 5, 5. Great content so far. 5, 5, 5. Great course, straight to the point, provides insight, information never heard before, remains real, not like a robot. Very beginner friendly. 4 stars. One guy. 4 stars, 3 stars. Apparently I'm too fast at speaking. I just got so much information to get through, and I'm so excited about it that I can't help but be fast sometimes. What else we got? 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 5, 5. Love it. 3.5. I like it, but I feel like more information you need is in the second course. Yep. 3, 4.5, 3, 5. So, I mean, not bad. I mean, out of 47 reviews, 4.33 is a pretty good rating, I would say, compared to, that's about, a little bit above average for what Udemy gets normally. 5, 5, 4, 5. Easy to understand. 4, 4.5. Jordan is the man, well informed, to the point. $5, 5, 5, $5. 4, 5. So, yeah, I mean, good reviews, man. Good reviews overall. Very good. Really good information. Straight to the point. So yeah, that's all there is there. But so interested in seeing, what I'm gonna be able to do as far as in the future here. I definitely don't want to keep it at $10. So if they don't get rid of that, or if they run another $10 sale soon, I'm probably gonna unpublish the course, because 149 people that probably would have bought it at 140 bought it at $10, which isn't good for me, right? But I wanted to do it while it was at the $10 mark, so that it could start getting a bunch of students, start trending, start getting reviews, start getting ratings, and hopefully that will help propel it up the rankings so that I can reach some people organically. Because if it can stay at 140 a lot of the time, and a bunch of people organically are going to find this course that would have never found out who I was, then they're going to go in and purchase that course, and it's money that I would have never seen because they would have never found me on YouTube. So I'm excited about that. So we'll see how it goes. I'll continue to keep you guys updated on it, but probably going to make more videos about making courses, because as far as the best way to make money online, I feel like YouTube is, probably the best way to do it. But as far as like real passive income, where you don't have to work on it every day, courses is probably the best way. Definitely the best way I've found as far as passive, where you do something and then you can kind of just leave it and make a bunch of money on it. So probably going to make some more videos on that for you guys, show you some of the ins and outs of what I do there. But another cool thing right now, this is the last day of my sale here for my advanced masterclass. So I have the link in the description for that. But in that one, it's $50 off right now. So normally it's $215. It's down at $165 right now. And you don't necessarily have to have purchased the first course to buy this. So if you're wanting to jump in, you want to go straight for the advanced, go ahead and do that. But today's the last day on that sale there, $50 off. But you get a lot of things in there. I mean, I worked really hard on that course. It's advanced. It's more in depth. It's more hands-on. What you get, first of all, you're going to learn how to get a monetized YouTube channel right now today and completely skip the monetization review process. So in your hands right now today, you could have a monetized channel in your hands. Beyond that, you're going to get I'm going to teach you how to get past any duplication match, any content ID match. I'm going to teach you for free and easily how you can get through those. The course isn't free. Sometimes when I say that, people confuse the two. I mean, the software that we're using for it is free, and I teach you how to easily remove watermarks, change watermarks, make your own, remove intros, make your own, remove outros, make your own. And different tactics you can use that kind of stop the bot from being able to find the duplication filter. So basically that means you're going to be open to thousands of videos that before you couldn't use. So that's a really big thing that you get as well with this course. And you can read through the description, and there's a whole bunch of other stuff you get that I really put a lot of work into it. So for one day only, $50 off there, so you get it for $165. You can have a monetized channel in your hands today, baby. So I think that's it for this one. I'll keep you updated on the Udemy thing, and if I continue to go up the rankings, and once the $10 sale ends, it'll be interesting to see, and I'll keep you updated and see how that's going as far as organic sales, ad sales, affiliate sales, all that good stuff. That's it for this one. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.